Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you are searching for the best purple perking discount codes in 2025, then this video is for you. So here you can see I'm on the Purple Perking official website there where they are actually offering some exciting deals and discounts from here. So here you can see some like compare airport parking discount codes here, so you can find the discount codes from here and you can compare it to according to current prices and percentage here, discount percentage. Now you can go to the this purpleperking.com/discount code and you can find this page where you can find this code here, so you can get your exact code, airport code here, parking code here. You can copy it and you can do is you can find some coupon codes where you can apply the discount from here. Simply click on it and here you can see success, your Gatwick airport parking discount has just been applied. So here you can see it has just applied. Now you can purchase it, so make sure that your exact destination has just added on this airport parking discount percentage or discount codes where you can get the price this for 7 days airport parking. So now the third-party website also can give you some exciting deals and discounts of purple parking. That first one is voucher.co.uk/discount code/purpleparking.com, and from here you can find the discount details and the voucher code here. So if you want to reveal that, simply click on get voucher and it will reveal the code where you can find this copy button, copy it, and you can find some terms and conditions and follow these terms and conditions. If you are applicable, then you can use this code from here. Now the second one is the discope.com/uk/offer code discount purpleparking.html. If you follow this URL, you can find this exact page where you can find exciting codes for purple parking here. So you can simply click on get code and you can find this code from here. Simply click on copy and you are good to go to use this code. Now the third one is hotukdeals.com/vouchers/purpleparking.com, where you can also find some exciting deals and discounts with the coupon code or the affiliate link. So simply click on this and you can see no code needed, so it has added the affiliate link where you can use it to add the destination or book something or get your code. So get your code with the discount. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.